So here we go. There's me outside of the big blue Patty's Place sign. And here we are when it was just a big mud pit before. It's come a long way. And as we walk into Patty's Place, you can see that there's so many more windows and so much more light happening. We've brought so much light into the building. This is the main portico and the main entrance. And you can see that's the caregiver support room there. That's where I am right now, here today, on the other side of that wall. And here we go to the main entrance. So this is the covered portico that so many caregivers asked for. There's somebody picking up their club member there that day as I was going in the entrance. You can see how wonderful it is. And this is the Caregiver Lobby. It's caregivers asked for this space so they could connect with each other and they could connect with staff if they needed to. And this is the caregiver room that I'm in now. You can see it's beautiful and sunny and blue and wonderful. And then we're going to head into the lobby, to the Wobbly Club. So the Wobbly Club is the integrated adult day program in Patty's Place. And it has a beautiful new home. And this is the living room area. So one of the things that families really asked for is kind of intimate seating areas. So if you didn't want to join the big group activity, you had a place to go and just have a coffee or read or hang out. So that's what we did. You can see there's lots of those places in this building. And this program now has 2 program rooms. So 2 big rooms you can do whatever you want in. Group activities of all different kinds, exercises, music, dance, discussion circles. They were playing The Price is Right when I was in there the other day, so that was pretty cool. And you can see all the light that comes into the building everywhere. There are some club members down there. You can kind of see them if you squint really hard. This is the dining room for the Wobbly Club. Has a big fireplace, an awesome skylight, and that's all new furniture. And there's a kitchen there where clients can, club members can bake and cook and get coffee and snacks and all that good stuff. And the fireplace is on. It's getting colder. And now we're going to go into the Soper Club. The Soper Club is our dementia-specific adult day program in Patty's Place. And here's the big great room. I should say that like everything pandemic related, we have experienced some supply chain issues. So there's still lots of furniture to come. Actually, a big delivery tomorrow. So that'll be exciting for us. And more fireplaces, tons of light. Lovely seating area there. And you can see it's just kind of cozy and a place you want to be. This is going to be our immersion room. We're waiting for a part that is on a container ship somewhere. So it'll be coming soon. When it gets here, we'll whip it up. And we're heading towards the all-season garden. This was something that families also really requested, is a place where you could get light, where you could garden. That's our guest services coordinator, Ashley Markle. She's trying to have a private phone call, but I followed her in. Can't escape me. But you can see how bright this is, even, you know, and it's so warm in there, even on the cooler days, and it's starting to fill up with plants. And this is one of the favorite places actually in the whole center. There are 2 program rooms across from this area. And again, still full of light. There's club members doing things in there. Big, big, beautiful spaces. We really want to make sure people have a choice of what they can do when they're in the club. And here we go into the overnight respite area. So these are the 8 overnight respite suites that we're offering. This is the dining room area for those 8 guests. Another fireplace. There's another skylight. Got to have those. And we're going to head back to where the actual bedrooms are. So this is the reception area for the overnight respite suites. They're going to be called gym suites. And this is the living room area, furniture to come tomorrow. And I'll show you some of the bedrooms. You can see we have screens on the wall. There'll be pictures for that guest in those screens. They help them find their rooms. And this is one of the beds. Again, still missing a few parts and some furniture, but still, beds are exciting. And the first overnight respite guests are going to stay with us on Monday. So it's going to be amazing to have our first overnight guests. This is what many families have been waiting for. And that is your super quick whip through of Patty's Place.